Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ethan again from Axle Advance, and today I wanted to talk to you about the CommSled. The CommSled's pretty rad in the fact that it is an offset mount on your carrier, freeing up a ton of space to run any of your nav boards, ATACs, phones, tablets, you know, whatever. Especially in today's day and age where more and more guys are just adding more and more tech onto their gear. This is a great space-saving option. It also allows a lot of flexibility as well, which we'll get into a little bit later. We have a multitude of options for whatever you're using, whatever you're running these days, whether that be a U94 like this one right here that we have from Disco 32, as well as your Invisios, MPU5s, Falcoms, TEAs, Nexuses, all that stuff, all right? So keep in mind whenever you're going to purchase one of these to make sure that you select in the drop-down menu the proper CommSled for your push-to-talk, as well as reading the description below that specifies which CommSled works with what push-to-talk. That'll save you a lot of headache after the fact once you get it in, making sure that your stuff actually fits, okay? Right out of the package, this is what it's gonna look like. You get the CommSled, which is made out of a 12-layer Tegris, super rigid, super durable. This isn't gonna break on you. We haven't really gotten any feedback at these failing yet, knock on wood. But this is a solid platform to mount your push-to-talks and rely on it being there when you need to communicate. You don't have to worry about it canting, falling off, slipping through your rubber bands, etc. However you got that mounted on there, zip ties. So anyway, like I was saying, you get this out of the package, the CommSled, 2 pieces of shock cord. Setting this up, right here we got an Invisio V50 that we're gonna be putting on here real quick. So let me run through it with y'all. Super fast, super simple. We have a ton of mounting options, as you can see right here, all these different holes. These correspond with whatever push-to-talk you're running. This allows you to be able to mount it vertically, horizontally, at different angles. However you like to get on the comms, you can set that up that way. First and foremost though, whenever I'm setting this up, I usually take this piece of shock cord and I just feed it through right here. Just like that. Move that aside. Take your push-to-talk, like I said before, right here. This is the Invisio V50. We're gonna go ahead, unscrew this MOLLE belt clip, MOLLE clip, retain these screws, clip off to the side, out of the way. Okay, now, like I said before, this is compatible with all the Invisio models, so you're just gonna have to mirror this off of whatever hardware setup you have in the back, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take these retention lanyards, pop them back in there, make sure we keep those intact. Then we're gonna take our CommSled again. You're just gonna lay it over the top, like so, making sure everything's still lined up, pushed down. And then you're just going to orient these holes to whatever position you want it to be canted at, okay? So like right here, if I have it lined up like that, that's in like a horizontal position, all right? And then obviously, like so, vertical, so on and so forth. So you're just gonna have to rig that up however you like to run it. We're gonna put these back in here real quick. I like to run mine vertically, so I'm gonna put it on there like that. Take my screw, line it up with the hole, pop it in, take your screwdriver. Tighten that down. Okay, so there you go, you have it set up. Now, the reason why this shock cord I have looped through here, when this sits on your carrier, it's gonna be sticking straight out, okay? If you don't like that, if that gets in the way, what you can do, take that shock cord, feed it through the wing back here. Now what you can do once you have this rigged through just like that is you can pull this to adjust however far you want the cant to ride on your chest, if that makes sense. Once you have it set to whatever cant you want it to ride at, then all you gotta do is just pinch that off. You can do whatever kind of knot you think will work best. If you don't know how to tie a knot, just make sure you tie a lot. Okay, and then boom, there you have it. Now it's preset at the cant you want it to be at. You can integrate this into your carrier, run your nav board system, ATAC, whatever you want on the front, all your cool flip down mounts, got plenty of space for comms, and then you can just get right back into the fight. So pretty sweet setup. Just wanted to go over some of the features of it. And yeah, guys, that's about it. So thanks for watching. I hope that this helped. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to drop some down below or reach out to our customer service and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks, guys.